Hey, hello.
Finally, we're home.
So now we'd like to show you the gifts that we received during the time of our marriage, the wedding reception, from our loved ones and the dearest ones.
Friends,
and thank you
colleagues,
so much. Yeah.
Thank you for
you
the
so
efforts
much.
and
Yeah.
gift.
So thank you so much, and now we're going to open one by one and let's see what's there inside. Of course, it's a big surprise for us, and we never expected gift from anyone, but thank you so much for caring and loving us. All right, let's get it on.
Pem and Sadeep.
Yeah, this
Thank
is
you
from
so much.
the couples.
See the effort they made. They also.
Yeah, Pem and Sadeep, thank you so much. With love from Pem and Sadeep. Best wishes on your togetherness. Congratulations, Saurabh and Jing. And good thing, wow, there is a photo here. So
we need to pick this one.
yeah. So this is what they have given. Wow, thank you so much, Sadeep and Pem. And we really appreciate your love and support and thoughtfulness on us. Oh yeah, sorry. Let me get one very special stuff that Pem has made for myself. Yeah, she's so artistic. And of course, this gift is worth more than $1 million prize for me, to be very, very honest. Let me show you. Received more than $1 million prize from you. So thank you so much, Pem. A big shout out to Pem.
Yeah.
Big shout out to Sadeep.
So
oh my God, such a creative artwork. Thank you so much, Pem. So let me put this back. So by that time, maybe you can just open it up, Mahal.
Yeah. So let's.
Yeah, I'm also like wondering what's there inside. Yeah, of course we have to keep this, no doubt. Thank you so much, guys. See, they have made like this for us. Again, there is art, digital artwork and creative artwork. Pem is full of art. That's what I can describe. Pem. Oh, wow, 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 wow. This is so nice. Wow, wow, wow. Let me help you. Wow, wow, wow.
Thank you so much, Sadeep and Pem.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Wow. So this is a 6-piece per set. It's a quilt cover. This exactly fits for our king size bed. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. And also Sadeep and Pem, they have gifted comforter set.
For our king.
Yeah, so this is from the Panamber. Okay, and door mirror, 5 pieces comforter set. Wow, thank you so much, Sadeep and Pem. $1 million thanks to you. In the coming future, if you're gonna have a baby, we're gonna penetrate this one. Oh, it's so soft, you know. Anyway, so thank you so much once again, guys. So let me keep it here at the side. Thank you so much. Alright. Wow, so heavy. I think it's full of gold. Anyway, guys, let's check it out. What's in there? What's in there? Yeah, so this gift is given by Kuya Glen. Avalos Family. And Ate Ava and Kuya Glen came there at the reception. Thank you so much for coming. She exactly wanted. She was telling me to check it in the home center, and yeah, this is from the home center. Exactly.
Many times I want to buy.
You feel our,
Yeah.
you know, this alluring set will add character to your table, and definitely it will add character to our table because the magnificent design that we can see here give a little bit of more vibe in the table that we have here. Thank you so much once again, Avalos Family. A big shout out. So let me keep this aside, yeah?
Just be careful.
Oh yeah, of course, it's a fragile item. Yeah, from the guapitos. And these, the red gifts, you can see on these red packets, red boxes. Yeah, these gifts are from the guys, the homies, the best of the best of the best of the best. No words to explain further more than that. From Nivesh, Aayush, Anrup Dai, whatever you say, yeah, but Heidy, and Kirtan, the one and only Kirtan from the Kirtan, okay? So I'm not sure, but yeah, these are I think from the guys, but they didn't put their names on it, so it's quite confusing who gave what. But anyway, whoever gave whatever stuff, it's like a worth more than anything, you know. Thank you for your effort. Thank you so much, and namaste to you guys. Namaste. Sorry, I have to do like this. Namaste to you guys. Okay. So now, which one shall we open first? It looks heavy. Yeah, it's not that heavy. As per my guess, this would be a little bit. Let me check. I don't know, but I think it's some electrical stuff, but let's check it if my guess is correct or not. Surely it's some, what is this? Oh my goodness, see what is there inside. It's a Black & Decker air fryer. It's an air fryer from Black & Decker. Thank you so much guys, whoever gifted this gift, and I'm sure you are watching this vlog. So whoever has given this gift, thank you so much. So I don't know, man, how's your, wow. It's a Black & Decker air fry. Alright guys, thank you so much. Actually we're planning to buy, right G?
Yeah.
So she was also telling me that we should,
Come on, let's buy air fryer now because we're gonna start diet
healthy without oil and all that.
consume healthy stuff.
So anyway guys, thank you so much once again. Let me put this here. How said, you know. It means the guys already thought that we have grown up and moved on in the other stage of life. So now what are we gonna open next? Looks something maybe as well. So let me cut it from here. More. So guys, whoever has given this gift to us, thank you so much. It's a 7-piece set of glass and jug feature from Luminar brand, which is a very nice and good brand so far I know. And thank you so much. Now from this gift, you have also already understood that we need this for our house. So thank you in advance. And
for
thank you
session,
now. For the session. And definitely we're gonna bring many waters from this jar, and we're gonna be healthy and we're gonna live the healthy lifestyle. And thank you for your thoughtfulness, especially and the kindness and the love that you have shown us. Big shout out. So let me put this right here. Heavy. Yeah. These guys they know the drill, what to give. They are, even though they are single, but they already know.
Oh, wow.
What is this?
Wow.
is a Tefal Super Cook set. Oh, see, this is what exactly we did, right?
Yes.
Last time we purchased the smaller version, and now it's a big version.
Oh my God. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much, guys. Whoever have given this to us, and with the help of this one, we're gonna cook some good and healthy meal. And next time when you come down to here in Abu Dhabi, then we're gonna cook here and eat more.
We're gonna share you guys the recipes.
Thank you so much once again. Thank you so much. Last but not least, but there are some surprise gifts that we're gonna open up after this. So please stay tuned and don't go away. Just we thought maybe the gifts are not there. There are some gifts here, which is a very surprise. Wow, this is
super
6-plate dessert display stamp, and it's like this. So we're gonna put some good stuff over here, and there's a 6-plate dessert display stamp from Home Center brand. Yeah, so this is what it is. And thank you so much once again, whoever have given guys. Thank you for helping us. And definitely it's gonna add some more charm, especially in that section, you know. So thank you so much once again, guys. This here is heavy as well. Jean will read this or some.
This is an envelope given by my baba, my boss, Dr. Latif. So let's check it out. Oh, it's a card. Best wishes. All the best for your future as wife, Dr. Mac. He actually given us cash. Of course, that's a secret how much he gave to us.
Yeah. So thanks to Baba, and big shout out to Baba.
Dr. Al-Khatib.
Dr. Al-Khatib, sorry. So sorry Baba, since they call you Baba, I also call you Baba. Dr. Al-Khatib, thank you very much for your kind, thoughtfulness and the love. Thank you so much.
Thank you Baba.
Thank you Baba. So
and
what's next?
Mr. and Mrs. Lamsal, best wishes, stay happy and alive. Love, Janine, Peter, Alma, Fancy, and Heidy. They give us also cash for, to pay our bills or something like that.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you so much, Health Plus team, Geneve Mary Diaz, Peter, Bro Peter, shout out, Ate Alma, Mama Fancy, and Heidy the Great, one and only the Great Heidy. From that, there are a few relatives who really supported us and shown us love in advance, and thank you so much. Basically, big shout out to Sujeeta Shahi from Germany, Nuremberg, or I don't know how to pronounce it, Nuremberg, Germany. Sujeeta Shahi is actually an aunt of Nivesh.
Yes.
So she has actually sent us some cash as a gift, and though she could not come and join the wedding, and she's been she's really loving and supporting since the day we met, and it's really nice of her, and it's very kind with the kindness. She's very kind, and thank you so much once again for Namaste. Dherai Dherai Dhanyabaadh. Say
Dherai Dherai Dhanyabaadh.
Dhanyabaadh. So Bubu, I hope you understand, we really appreciate the thoughtfulness, and definitely it has helped a lot. Thank you so much once again for your kindness, and
thank you so much, Auntie.
And another thing, my relatives from New York, USA, they have also sent us some cash in form of gift, and that is basically from my Bandai, Sudhir Bandai, Ramadidi, and Sumitra Didi, Supreme, Banji Boju, and all the family from NY. Thank you so much for the thoughtfulness and kindness and love that you have shown, and definitely it has helped us to do something here and there, it always helps to get something. Definitely, it was not necessarily, required, but we really appreciate your thoughtfulness and kindness in advance, and thank you so much, and we love you all. We love you all.
Although they are far away, they thought of us giving
Yeah,
us this kind of gift.
yeah.
Thank you so much for that.
Thank you so
We
much.
really appreciate it.
Yeah, sure. We
Thank
really
you.
appreciate it.
Namaste.
Namaste. Yeah, and that's what it is, and that's basically the gift what we received. Actually, we didn't expect anything from anyone, and it was not really necessary to bring the gifts and all that. But definitely, we really appreciate and we kindly acknowledge the gift, and we thank you so much from the inner core of our heart. So Mahal, so that's what it is. So it's like a complete set for the house. So yeah, definitely we'll catch up in the next vlog then. Thank you so much for watching.
You.
Stay tuned. Bye
Bye-bye.
bye.